me just talk about my domain, which is electric vehicle chargers. The chargers themselves don't cost a lot. Installing them, cutting concrete, putting in pipes and conduits, etc., that can cost thousands.
Yeah.
And oftentimes the end customers struggle with that. So if I have something that I can offer to my franchisees to help finance their customers.
How would it be collateralized, right? That would be the question. Is it collateralized by a lien on the property? Because if you're putting conduit inside a parking lot, you can't attach that. If it's a charger, then you can take the charger back, but you're not going to dig it up, right? So, I mean, there'd be some kind, you guys can figure it out.
Nick's famous for giving me a call and saying, "Hey, Ralph."
Just ask Ralph.
There are options. There are collateralized options, there are non-collateralized options. Happy to talk to you a little bit afterwards and give you an idea, but at the end of the day, just there's always a loan to be had. It's that wonderful, what's the term, what's the rate, what's the requirements, all of those things. So that it's a wonderful Chinese plate spinning act.
One of the great natural resources of our country are the equity markets, right? So see what's out there. Just ask Ralph. Yes.
Two questions, one for finance, one for corporate. For finance, what is the most popular product that you utilize for your franchises? Is it SBA 7A, or is it the 401ks, or just other products? Which one is the most popular?
I would say for us, would be the ROBS structure. Overall, the SBA 7A plan is significantly used, much more widely used. Just about every bank in America is doing it, so there's millions of loans on an annual basis.
If like someone doesn't have any 401ks and it's going to take like 6-7 months, like a faster track, like the term loans, like is it something among your product that you could offer someone, like term loans, in order to make it like faster, the process?
Great question. SBA loans can go very quickly if there's not a location involved. So we can get an SBA loan done in 2 to 3 months, but if there's property involved and you're going to do a build out, then that can take much longer because you've got to secure the location, etc. The term loans can happen in 2 to 3 weeks. They are very quick, but they're going to top out at about 175 to 200,000 for a term loan. Okay, there's benefits and there's costs to each.